Ananya Pandey. How are you, babe?
Good. Fabulous. Hi. Oh my god, you look so good. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
We got to give them mics because I have so many questions, so many questions. So I'm going to start with the gentleman, Tiger. I'm going to ask you a very fun question. Trailer, how much they love it, like it. But here's my question. Trailer देख के मुझे सिर्फ इतना जानना था. How many bottles of deodorant, man, for that shot?
Actually, खाली 2 takes लिए थे, तो we didn't waste too much deodorant.
And after that, how many people like to smell you? Did you smell him after that?
I mean, I'd be lying if we said no.
Oh, fabulous, fabulous. Hey, welcome, man, Tara.
Thank
I'm
you
so
so
happy to
much.
speak to you.
Thank you.
पहले तो इस कॉलेज में भर्ती होने के लिए बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. How do you feel it? Do you think this is like a dream debut for you?
This is most definitely beyond a dream debut for me, and I'm sure for Ananya as well. We can't be more thrilled.
That's fabulous. Ananya, did you say that you're really looking forward to the song that launches today?
I'm so excited for you all to see the song. We've enjoyed dancing on the song, and I really hope that you all do too. We're so nervous and so excited.
So students, you think we should show them the song right away?
Yes,
have a look.
please.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, can we have the song, please, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, a little more love will go a long way for this afternoon. Can I please ask you all to put your hands together to give them the applause that they deserve? Oh, yeah. Thank you. Sorry, इनके हाथों में आजकल सिर्फ मोबाइल फोन होते हैं, तो you forgive them, please. But I have so many questions. First of all, let me tell you, as a retro show host on radio, I'm very scared when someone says they want to recreate R.D. Burman's music. This song is 47 years old. I play it on my show all the time.
Definitely, it's just such a legendary song, and I mean that in every manner. Absolutely, when it comes to the composer, to the artist performing the original, to the singer Kishore Da, so there's no way we can match up, but it's sort of our tribute to them. So yeah.
It's a great tribute, I must say that first of all. It's also आपके father का favorite song है?
Yes, Dad's
Is that
favorite
true?
song as well. Yeah. And
Yeah?
his favorite composer is R.D. Burman.
Absolutely, and no doubt, guys, for the R.D. Burman fans in the house, please give them a huge hand. This is beautiful. मजा आ रहा है because I love the way you guys are dressed in this song. There are a couple of setups, of course. They're fantasy college life. So tell me, what is the funnest thing that you read on the internet about, the reactions to the trailer?
I think it was really funny because people were like, we didn't have these uniforms when we were in school. Even I didn't have these uniforms when I was in school. So I think it's a larger than life film, and you have to take the magic that comes with it.
And
So,
what was your favorite setup from these three in the song?
I think the school uniform one, because that was little close to our real uniforms.
है ना थोड़ा
That little-
fantasy
yeah,
school?
little school.
Yeah, I wish schools in Bombay did that for us, right?
Same.
Yeah, they won't let us, guys. They won't let us. Yeah, all right. I was in Xavier's, and we would get fined for wearing red.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Insane, right? Yeah. Thank
We
God
weren't
I'm
allowed
out
to
of
wear
college.
nail polish.
Or nail polish. Yeah, so I'm taking revenge right now with my red nail polish. Tara, you've got to tell me, what does this song mean to you? क्या ये गाना, do you have any memories of dancing on this song before this time?
It's funny, when I was growing up, my parents would play beautiful the classics, and this is a song I think so many people have grown up listening to. So it's literally, it's a privilege to be able to dance to this song with the legendary Kishore Das voice. I sing, so for me to be able to dance to a song that he's sung, it means the world.
Yeah, speaking of singing, we've covered singing. I also know that you are quite a bit of a singer, and we're going to wait for that to unveil in a couple of days, perhaps. But Tiger, I am so sorry. What was that dance break, man? It was the stuff of dancing legends. Can I please ask you to give a big hand for that dance break in the middle of freestyle? Man. And also you're wearing like a Shami Kapoor suit, like a gold suit. It looked absolutely fabulous. But I'm going to tell you to do something. देखिए, वो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. Tiger can sit here for 2 days and try and teach us that dance break. We can't do it. We'll do something more simple, okay? You're going to now educate us, okay? We're all going to try and be students. The hook step is a lot of fun. The Gili Gili Akka step. I think you're going to immortalize it with your signature step, guys. Would you kindly step forward and show us how it's done? Come on. Please. Tiger's ready. Tiger's like, I'll do it. The girls are like, should we?
We also
All right.
need to learn a little bit.
Yeah,
so we-
please, Tiger.
we could keep going.
Okay.
गाने पे कर रहे हैं या ऐसे ही सिखा रहे माइक
I think पहले आपको हमें थोड़ा सा सिखाना पड़ेगा. So you can
So
instruct us a bit.
we'll do the Gili Gili Akka. I think that's easy. Yeah?
Yeah,
Gili Gili
please. Without the mic,
Akka.
okay?
Without mic.
Okay, just show me the movement and I'll try it with you. Okay? Slightly bend, okay? Gili. Akka. Apriya. 1, 2, Akka. Okay. If you can move your leg at the same time, okay? Right leg, okay. No core strength, guys. 1, 2, this is like chapati is happening. Okay, 1, 2, 3, I finished at the end. 6, 7, 8. Gili gili akka. Gili gili akka. Oh, because I'm everybody's akka, guys. Okay, done, done, done. Almost done. You think you can do it with a bit of music, guys? Is it possible? Is it possible? Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's try it with the music, guys. Feel free to put your phones down and join us, all right, ladies and gentlemen. दादा ट्रेलर 2 बार चला दिया, आप बच्चों की जान लोगे क्या? सवाल है नहीं है? सवाल नहीं है, सिर्फ डांस देखना है. ओके, आई एम सॉरी गाइस, दिस हैज नेवर हैपेंड. This has never happened at a trailer launch before, but the media, of course. Okay, thanks girls and boy, thank you so much. Okay, you want me to do it? No, I'll join you. I'll tell you why. Okay. Woo! Woo! Ha! Rock! Oh, wow, 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 wow. अब हमें सताएंगे नहीं आप. दीदी बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएंगी अभी. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the floor is open for questions. I know you have some, make them count. I give you my glorious students of the year too, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a question, put your hand up. Yes, you have my first question. Go for it.
Hi Tiger.
सत श्री अकाल. Hi.
सत श्री अकाल. So मेरा सवाल आपसे ये कि इन्होंने तो बता दिया इनकी मेमोरीज, आप बताइए इस गाने से रिलेटेड आपकी क्या मेमोरी है, and what was your Baba's reaction, first reaction, since it's his favorite song?
He hasn't. I don't know if he's seen it yet.
Okay, मतलब आपने बताया नहीं कि
नहीं, बताया भी नहीं मैंने.
Okay.
I haven't really shared much with Dad. I like to usually surprise him closer to the release of the film. So yeah.
Okay, so what's your memory with this song?
My memory is dancing to this song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And इससे before this song, मतलब you actually shot for it, मतलब स्कूल के टाइम पे
नहीं,
या कॉलेज के टाइम
जहाँ
पे?
तक मुझे याद है मैं बहुत छोटा था, तो you know I don't remember much. So yeah, it's very vague in my head. I remember listening to it on radios or seeing it on TV every now and then with, of course, Jaya ji and Randhir ji. So yeah.
Okay. एक और सवाल आपसे ये कि जैसे अभी बात की मीम्स के बारे में, so एक मीम है जो बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ है, मतलब you are responsible for bringing Marvel and DC together with Spider-Man and Wonder
Yeah,
Woman.
we are.
Yeah. So what's your
That was
take on
funny.
that?
I thought that was pretty cute and funny, and yeah, I'm really happy that, you know, whatever's been happening, we've been getting a lot of traction, you know, from a lot of people, a lot of eyeballs, and very grateful that our trailer sort of created some sort of a stir on the internet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next question.
Hi Tiger, this is Urvi here to your hi.
Hi.
On the
Hi.
left. Yeah.
Since we all know you are a very good dancer, did you have any inputs in terms of the choreography of this song?
No, I really didn't have any inputs. I was just doing what I was told. I'd like to thank, you know, Remo sir, of course, his team, Piyush, Rahul Shetty, and Shazia, of course, who handled the girls. Yeah.
Tara and Ananya, I both have a question for you both also. Since it was your debut film, and this song, which is already a popular song, R.D. Burman song, were you all nervous when it came to performing on this?
You know, actually, more than nervous, I think we were really looking forward to it because it's such a famous song. It's a song everyone has heard. The fact that Student of the Year 2 gets to have this song is a huge deal. We were so excited. We were rehearsing, and you know, it's just surreal to be able to dance to a song like this.
And I think because we maintained Kishorda's like voice, it just felt even more magical. And the video of the song, the old video, there was no dancing to it. Like there was a car and the
very
bike,
cute and
it
sweet,
was very
yeah.
cute and sweet. Yeah. So I think this dancing adds like a lot of fun to it. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah, hi. Jyoti, this side. This side. To the corner.
कहाँ पर मैम?
Idhar.
Okay.
Yeah, hi. Jyoti from Movies Adda. First of all, fabulous song, of course, and
Thank
all of
you.
you are looking very gorgeous. But मेरा question तारा और अनन्या के लिए है because टाइगर के comparatively, you know, dance करना उनके साथ is very tough. He's too good. He's just too good. तो उनके साथ dance करना, adding to that question, तो कितना ज़्यादा tough था उनके level को थोड़ा match कर पाना? Was it tough for you? Was it a pressure?
It's impossible to match Tiger's level. Firstly, he rehearses so much, and even though he's so good, he rehearses so much. So when we're looking at him on set and he's rehearsing, we're just like, what are we doing? Because he's perfect.
And
he's
also,
just
every take
practicing.
is a perfect take. So if we mess up in the take, it's very stressful.
very
But he's
stressful.
very sweet, and he never makes us feel like, you know, he's the best.